Previously on Love and Crosses.
It might look funny.
Ti Obana who say me didn't have befi one kekenana.
Henry, do you want to kill me or what? Henry, what do you about befi say near kekema? Oh, I see. I know what you are up to. You want to kill me? I want to die young.
Tell me, girl. Tell me. What's your mama? Good news, Sabu. Good news, that place. Share. Me papa ileno. Me kasai. Aso papa. Sa. Usuni msema fa prada. Sa. Nam kangu aso. So plan. Hey. No. Because what dress room? To detail. Edrona. You do good drink ma. You no man na yada. Hey. I'm going to the mini detail. Yes, papa, the other now we pack or cosa. You may, uncle, some good cigar, not a thing. Tobacco.
Oh yeah. Sorry. Where is he? Where is he?
The army.
Oh yeah, sure.
Sister, when a person is so special with angel orange drink.
Okay. Make sure my cover.
Angel orange drink way if you Dr. KOKOTIII on my yay at the pan.
Okay, I'm going to taste and check this. Alice, no, you better.
Me and be mom, that's all baby cry. What's that the pan? Oh, Angel, the beer will say, oh, no, feel free. No. What's I no come and shiro kuma.
It's all for the job of open our say. No, they are like boring mouth. Very nice drink. Very nice.
Oh no. I'm just
stop.
Oh, better I do so.
Thank you.
Okay. Free no minina the feel come.
So what's up? Come over and not busy Indy.
What the band may want?
What's up with the meaning come? We should have been come BID. So these are my flatmates and I'm not yet cool.
Umba ya near. No come here me.
Do you know something? My main chairman wants to cry.
Oh, bedroom.
No, are you okay?
Oh, bedroom, not the feel.
have it.
Na joke na na good.
Oh, me okay.
Oh no.
Sorry.
And two times a year.
Mom, it's okay.
Hey, Sherry. Hey, Sherry. Come on, baby girl. Give me a hug. How are you? That reminds me. Did Mona come?
Yes, she's asleep at your bedroom.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Asleep. I see. I'm going to check out my hair. Then back to you.
Abigail, Papa by Antenna Black.
Hey. Sweet Mona, baby. What's this? Get up! Hey! Mona! What is this?
What is what?
Penny, don't. Oh my goodness! Mona, what do you know?
What do you mean by what you know? You know me.
What do you know?
So what you're doing? Don't you know me, Mijoso?
No, Penny, don't.
I don't like what you're doing.
When you saw the talk, we see the so. And get away! I'm going to make it. I don't know what to do. Hey! There's a good one. Mama, yeah, you're right. There's a good one. Hey! Sorry! Hey! Upa! Hey! Go. Hey, you ready to me? Waka. That's how you do. That's what we are saying. Hey! I'm going to miss you.
Just send Ben Adian. Mommy, I don't so. Huh?
Hey, what do you want?
Eh, Mommy, you Manuel.
Mention soya. Oh, so what then? Me name this year. Mention soya. My uncle country. Yes, myself. What's the better children?
Un just son of a one son. Sorry, Coco. Yes. No. What's I said? Money easy. papa pamono umu na no na mete wo obetwam kora na no bebo just had to say na buru na me pam no kora ayama oyo ya bad me the scene na muyo na me shake chem ho wo me de din baby okwahye na ye den se de wiem papa dia me te se ne o ma me ne obi yakọ o se ele samna be ho no o se o chinombla sa sam de o ha adwene papa se ne ndai ana oba ne akiti abum like shout.
You look so worried. It seems you are not okay.
Of course. How can I be? I still don't understand this.
Do you want to share?
Well, it's so embarrassing. I can trust you, why not? Could you imagine? How do I even start?
Fine. If you don't want to share, don't worry.
Okay.
But there's this thing I want to ask you if you'll be so fine with it.
What could that be? Just flow, I'm listening.
Don't worry.
Oh, come on, just tell me.
Are you sure?
Oh, come on, I'm free.
Okay. I heard a noise yesterday. Whom were you carrying with? Like, I heard you shouting.
You see, there you go again. That's the same thing that keeps on passing up my mind. You know, like, I thought these things happened only in the 80s and the late 70s. But look, we are in the 21st century. But my girlfriend came here. I was even out. So I just came to meet her and she was fast asleep.
Pardon me?
Yeah, my girlfriend Mona.
Your girlfriend?
Yes, of course.
Meaning you have a girlfriend?
Oh.
You are in a relationship?
So, I wasn't joking when I told you earlier that my girl will come here and all that. It's...
Oh, so she actually came here. Your girlfriend was here.
I don't know if I should say, no, she's not even like my girlfriend now, she's my ex now. Because she came here.
But yesterday she was your girlfriend.
Exactly, man. But from that night of yesterday to today and henceforth, she's not my girlfriend because she came here and bedwetted on my bed. I can't believe this. Does this thing still happen? What Joshua could make Paloso Chaka was them on Friday or feeling comfortable. I was like, me bad them.
Hold on. No, just hold it. What do you mean by bedwetted on your bed? How is that possible?
She did it.
Why are you trying to lie to me? Or you think I'm jealous? No, I'm not. Me, I'm not jealous though.
Listen. What's the point here if I want to lie to you? What am I trying to prove?
That is what I don't even know. I don't understand.
For crying out loud,
you just said your girlfriend came here yesterday and all of a sudden you've changed the whole thing. Like, I mean, your girlfriend.
Okay, fine. If you don't believe me, you can ask my daughter Sherry. We couldn't sleep on the bed. We couldn't again.
Are you serious at all?
I think the scent is still there. Opa Penyu.
You mean your girlfriend did...
Oh, let's see. Please, I'm not joking. This is a serious matter.
Yes, we are so serious. Why? Am I joking? So, your girlfriend, he also of him, Papa. Anyway, it's me have him. Your girlfriend, also.
Oh, don't be sarcastic. We are calling a speed a speed. What do I am in the
American? When I was saying your girlfriend, what also? And then not American. Oh, I'm so sorry, poor you. But oh my God, so sorry, okay?
For me.
Yes, sorry, okay? Yeah. Tomorrow she will come here and.
Obani.
Why?
Oh, no,
not break up with her because she bad water.
And you was the same. Oh, over my now.
You have to, Master. I want to start to already. So.
Are you telling
sorry.
me?
No, listen. I was just asking. You know, I heard the noise yesterday, and I wasn't so comfortable with it, so I decided to ask you. I'm sorry if I have offended you in any way. Okay. Oh, but. Oh, wow. Sorry. If I may ask you, how old is your girlfriend?
Judith!
Sorry, okay? Oh, Henry! Henry! No, please, calm down, okay?
Too nice to me.
Oh, my boy and mamma, home.
Sir, they're the one, man. And I could on my son. Because I don't buy you now. Only 2 aunties. By an idea. And I be busy. Miss Minquadia Drobiana. Spread of the good who's a droby henny. And I be 30. And I walk from an engine. But yes, I am for 2 months. I am for the. And then there's a woman I am for the door.
Oh, free. No, Nina. I am cook.
You, Timmy no more. I am for too much. So it has a mere drink. And I need to get at this. I could have an eye for do.
And then, honey, and I hope I don't be feeling like that.